Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to align two tables vertically in Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then go to the Insert menu and click Table option. Then create a table. Then go to the down and again click Insert menu and again create a table. Now we can see here create two table. Now we select the two table and go to the home menu and click align left. Now we can see here we align two tables vertically in Word very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.